Okay, so in terms of what we're looking for when we're looking at startups from the Techstars perspective, where I've been for quite a while, we talked tonight about how we would look at team, market, traction, and then the product. We spent a lot of time tonight talking more about the team and what does that mean when we're looking at, the team dynamics, how do they come together, how determined is everyone, like what is the unique perspective or background that team of people brings. And I think what made me laugh the most is when someone then followed up with asking, so what are the right answers to those questions? If we're being interviewed, what are the right answers? And I really wanted to get across, there are no specific right answers. Everybody's story and background is their own and is unique, and we're just trying to understand, any investors is trying to understand what that personal journey is. There's no right answers. That's the beauty of it.